Yo, everybody, back at it once again. Your favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. So before y'all do anything else, make sure y'all go ahead and, lightly tap that subscribe button so you guys can stay up to date with every video that I drop. And I know you guys are seeing, something new about your boy today. Last time I had the do-rag and the hoodie on. Today, I got the glasses on. I'm feeling like Brother Malcolm, you feel me? Now, we're going to be talking about another binary strategy, right? That's actually still a part of Hourglass. One of which a lot of you have probably never used, but today I'm going to show you guys in hopes that you'll go tap into it so you can start seeing more consistent profits in the market. See you guys on the next clip. Peace. Yo, everybody. How y'all guys doing? Once again, your favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. And, before y'all go any further, hit that subscribe button. You want to get every notification every time I drop a new video. So today, we're actually going to be talking about another binary strategy that's going to be a part of the Hourglass package that a lot of people are not familiar with. You've used Cash Trap, but did you hear about Cash Trap's younger brother called Blue Gator? Okay. So first things first, guys, we're going to start off by tapping into the same thing we always do, which is going to be im.center. And within im.center, you actually want to be able to start off with go live. Okay. So I'm actually select where it says go live. Go live is actually going to bring me to a separate website, which if you just want to go directly to go live, you can actually hit golive.im and it'll bring you right here, right? So before you go any further, if you are new to go live, you definitely want to be able to make sure that you're going to tap into these Forex basics tutorial videos so you guys 100% know how to be able to maneuver through the website. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to start working our way down, okay? And we're not going to stop until we get to where it says HFFX Academy, okay? So in the HFFX Academy, these are where all the live binary educators are going to be hosting their sessions nonstop every single day, specifically Monday through Friday, because we know that the market is closed on the weekend. But what you guys are still able to utilize is the schedule, right? You're going to know exactly what day, what time these educators are going to go live. And I'm actually go as far as to show you guys exactly what video to watch so that you can be able to, get very proficient with this new strategy we're going to be covering today. So as I scroll down, where I want you guys to be able to focus on is going to be Dr. Josh Lee and Brandon Boyd, okay? Dr. Josh Lee and Brandon Boyd. So I'm going to select Dr. Josh Lee and Brandon Boyd. Now, the next thing I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go right here where it says favorite sessions. As you guys can see, look, they're actually currently having a live session right now. So
information candle, you can take it for one candle.
They're actually doing sessions all throughout the day. So having a live session as we speak. Now, I want to be able to go to where it says favorite sessions, okay? I'm going to scroll down. All right. What I want to do is the first video that I can take advantage of is going to be where it says consolidation versus retracement, how to use momentum indicators. Okay. Now, this is not 100% about Blue Gator. This is going to be a mixture of different strategies, but right here, the strategy that's actually on the screenshot is going to be Blue Gator. So that's one video you want to write down so that you remember to go back and watch consolidation versus retracement, how to use momentum indicators. Okay. Now I'm going to scroll and the next video I'm going to show you guys is I'm going to work my way down a little bit. And let me actually get to the video so I can show you guys exactly where to go, which is going to be right here. So the video title, Blue Gator Strategy, alligator lines, right? Keltner channel, MACD, and TSI indicators. This is the video that you guys want to be able to tap into, all right? That's going to be able to help you understand and effectively start trading the Blue Gator strategy. Now, what we're going to do is we're actually going to, work our way back over to im.center. Okay, we're going to work our way back over to im.center. And now I'm going to go select where it says strategies. Okay, so I'm going to select where it says strategies, right? And whenever I scroll down, whenever I scroll down, the strategy I actually want to be able to select is, first off, I want to go to where it says HFFX Academy, right? Then I want to go to where it says Hourglass, right? Whenever I go to Hourglass, you're going to see that Hourglass is going to be a strategy that identifies entry zones in the market. You can scalp, and it's also going to be for high frequency. I'm going to click on that, okay? Now, this is going to bring me, and it's going to initially pop up Cash Trap, right? So it's going to initially pop up Cash Trap because Cash Trap is the most utilized one. It's the most popular one. But what we're going to do is we're going to hover up here and click where it says strategies. Then we're going to select Blue Gator, okay? Then we're going to select Blue Gator. Now, after we select Blue Gator, this is what this is going to look like for you guys, okay? So you guys are looking at this. You may not know exactly what you're looking at, so I'm going to actually be here to help you, all right? Now, this is going to be more so for people that, you know, like break and retest or know how to use break and retest. Okay. So this is definitely going to be like a break and retest strategy. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to utilize this. Okay. Now, the two important things, well, the three important things of this strategy are going to be, let me double click. So if you guys ever want to be able to get rid of the bottom indicators, all you have to do is double click the screen and double click it to bring it back so you can get more screen, you know? So what you guys are going to be able to see is you see like this blue cloud right here that I'm going to make black. All right. So you guys see this blue cloud that I just circled, like this faint blue cloud right here, right? This blue cloud is going to represent overall trend of the market. So if you see that the market is trending underneath this blue cloud, you're in a downtrend. If you see that the market is trending above the blue cloud, you're in an uptrend. Okay. Now, you also have these three EMAs, the red, the green, and the blue. All right. Same concept. If you have the market trending underneath the EMAs, you're in a downtrend. If you have the market trending above the EMAs, you are in an uptrend. Okay. Let's talk about these two indicators at the bottom, right? These two indicators at the bottom are going to work like this. They're momentum based. So what you want to be able to see is when you're looking for a buying opportunity, you want to be able to see that cross. Okay. On top of that cross, you would like to see the volume come into the market, which is indicated by these blue bars, right? Now, what happens if you want to look for a selling opportunity, right? You would look for a similar concept. You would look for initially this cross down, okay? These cross downs, excuse me, these cross downs. And then you want to be able to see the momentum come into the market indicated by these red momentum bars. Okay. Now, what I want you guys to be able to do is I'm going to show you guys how to be able to actually look at taking a trade idea based off of this strategy. So the first thing we want to be able to look for, I'm going to look at the most recent example. So the first thing we actually want to be able to look for is, let me look at something that maybe looks a little cleaner. See if we can find something maybe a little cleaner. All right, this is actually going to be perfect. Okay, so break and retest, guys, right? So the way that you guys can start taking advantage of this strategy, let me show you guys a quick example right here. Okay, so this is going to be an example of whenever we initially see that we get that cross, this is whenever we first want to start looking for an opportunity. So you really don't want to do too much until you see that cross, okay? Once you see the cross, you want to then wait for the market to get above, right? Cross happened here. You then want to wait for the market to get above your cloud as well as your EMAs, okay? So notice how our cross happened here. The market is above our cloud. It's also above our EMAs. Now, the next thing that you want to do is this is where you have to understand break and retest, okay? So you would need to know that this structure, all right, this structure, which is right here, is where the market broke. All right. This zone that was created with this resistance, the market broke this area. As you see it retested. Whenever the market retests this area, okay, you want to look to be able to take a trade of 3 candles. Okay. A 3 candle trade. What exactly does that mean? Okay. So let's look at the example that we're currently on the 15-minute time frame. If you are looking to take this trade on a 15-minute time frame, that means that you would be taking this trade for 45 minutes, okay? 3 times 15 is 45 minutes, okay? Now, this would be an example that you could also maybe drop it down to the 5-minute, okay? Maybe if you don't want to take a trade for that long, you can drop it down to the 5-minute. We can come back over here. We can still see the markup. And this is a similar example, okay? Similar example, right? Now, this is all that you're going to be doing with this strategy. You're going to be looking for opportunities for the break and the retest. So let's look at another example. Okay. So let's look at the fact that we had our cross. We had our cross, right? Now, with that, what we then wanted to wait for is we wanted to wait for after this cross happened, which is here. We then wanted to wait for our market to get what? Below our EMAs and then also below our cloud, which basically happened in this area, okay? Now, after that happened, what is the next thing that we wanted to do, okay? The next thing that we wanted to do is we want to be able to identify our support zone. All right. So you could have looked at a support right here. Why do I say that? Because where this market started flatlining and giving a lot of wick action, this is where the market ended up breaking. Or if you want to look for maybe a little bit stronger zone, it's a little bit easier to see. You guys could have actually used this area right here. So notice how the market created a floor right here, which was where the market retested before it continued higher. This is another example, which you guys could have seen it actually reacted perfectly right here, that you guys could have looked for a break and retest opportunity. Now I'm gonna look for one more example just to be able to show you guys, kind of get you more familiar with it. So let's look at NZD USD. So if we look at NZD USD, I think I already see something. All right, cool. So NZD USD is going to be an example of sometimes it could be a delay, right? So we actually get our cross right here, okay? We actually get our cross right here. So sometimes it is going to be a delay in the market to where it may not immediately go. So remember what I say, you want to wait for it to not only get above the 3 EMAs, but above the cloud. The market doesn't actually break above the cloud until you get over here, okay? So at the moment that the market got over here, where is your structure? Okay, your break and retest at that point is going to be pretty much in this zone. So what you could have then been looking for, okay, is whenever the market ended up coming out, right, retesting in this area, all of these could have been opportunities for you to possibly look to be able to take this trade in the upward direction, as you see, right? And then kind of for like a last example, let's see if we can find a sell. Let's see. All right, another example of how it can take some time. All right, so let's look at this, right? If we look at this area where we notice that the cross happened, right? We got the cross. We also have a cross right here. All right, now pay attention. Once again, I want you guys to notice the market does not get below all 3 EMAs and the cloud until we get over here. But guess what? Where is our actual structure area that we need to be broken and retested? Basically right here, okay? This was our last designated structure area. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna actually drag this all the way over here. I'm gonna make this black, make it a little bit darker. All right, cool. All right. So what I want you guys to be able to focus on is we need to wait for this area to be broken. So even though it broke below the 3 EMAs and broke below the cloud, it is still not ready, okay? So what I would have been doing is I would have been patiently waiting. And this is a zone that you could have marked up and then came back and utilized it at a later time. So look, the market is trending, right? It came up, right? Took out this high. Now the market broke, retested this area. Now it's dropping. Whenever you saw the market drop like this and then retest, this could have been your opportunity to take this sell. And even if you didn't get that opportunity, you can see that this zone actually held pretty good, right? It did pop a little bit back above the zone, but overall it did show you that this was the opportunity that you wanted to be looking to take, okay? So this is how you guys are actually going to be able to come in, right? Utilize the strategy. And definitely make sure that you're going through the video so that you guys know exactly how to be able to go through all the steps. Whenever I did this, it's not for you to be able to watch the YouTube video and then immediately go take the trades. It's to be able to show you guys what video to go plug into and go live and what educators to be able to focus on so that you can become proficient with this strategy. Now, with that being said, as usual, if you guys like this video, right, don't be shy. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, right? I'm going to be dropping videos every single week, and I want you guys to be the first ones to get the notifications. On top of that, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on the video, share it with anybody who you know would like to be able to learn the Blue Gator strategy. With that being said, you guys already know who it is. Your boy official Tyree Samuels back at it for another strategy video. I will be making another video very, very soon. And as usual, I'm gonna see you guys at the top, not from the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. See you wouldn't want to be a peace.